Racing just is started. We have got the light. Break quickly to start. Tabel in second. Sweet Julian is racing in third. Lucky Dream is Sky Tripper. While Silver Wizard is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Cats, the light on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length lead. Moving upon the outside, now is Lucky Dream. Tabel is racing in third, and in fourth now is Silver Wizard. Then comes Sky Tripper, while Sweet Julian now racing in less. Back to the leader with Cats, the light by about half length, and in second Lucky Dream. Tabel now moving upon the outside, and Silver Wizard is still in fourth. Then comes Sweet Julian, while Sky Tripper now racing in less. And the now entering the home stretch, we have Cats, the light. Tabel moving upon the outside is Silver Wizard as they swing for room. We have Cats, the light. Moving upon the outside is Silver Wizard. Last 100 meters. Cats, the light. The Silver Wizard is on the outside. Cats, the light. Silver Wizard is on the outside. And finally, it's Silver Wizard. Cats, the light. Then comes Tabel.
Alright, mga karerista, we have an upset. Number 6, Silver Wizard crossing the wire first, driven by John Alvin Buse. Then ang number 1, Cats the Light. Palarin natin.